Hello everyone, this is Kakuru Benard. I'm back with our tutorials, and today we are looking at practical question 2 on PowerPoint. And the question says, farming is the most important activity in Uganda. Majority of Ugandans rely heavily on farming to survive. As a concerned Ugandan, you are required to make a presentation on farming. So the question continues, but basically we want to look at the saving part of it that save the presentation as farming. So as usual, we shall start by creating a folder. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos as they will be loading on YouTube. So my folder is Kakuru Benard, and so you open your folder. Inside you can create a new PowerPoint presentation program and give it a name, Farming in Uganda. So you enter twice to open. So when your presentation opens, you should be able to click on the first slide. That is, you have created first slide. And so now this instruction is telling us that we make slide 1 a slide master and customize it as follows. Hope you are aware of a slide master. So that in this slide master, so we go to view slide master and click on slide 1. So what we should do on slide master, we should have design of our choice, a picture of a tree or a flower to the top left. So we go to insert, clip art, then here we can search for flower. You click go. So this flower, we need it on top left, so you can click there, reduce this a bit. Bring this flower, you put it around there. So after putting this flower top right, you can reduce it. So after reducing this flower so that it fits properly in that space top right, they want us to put a footer of your name and personal number in the center section. So we go to insert, head and footer. In the footer section, put your names, Kakuru Benard, personal number 068. What else do we need? An 8 purple line between the master and text style placeholders, date and time to the right, then a preset rainbow background color. So we put the date and time, then click apply to all. This date and time should be to the right. So we put a line, insert shapes line, draw a line there. So after drawing this line in between the two placeholders, you go to the format tab, shape outline, weight, got more lines, and right there 8. Then line color, we need purple. You close, so that is an 8 pt line. So these headers mean the footers. You can format them, maybe bold them, give them a color that is clear, and any other font. You save changes. So we can go to the slide master tab, we come to background color, format background, then we come to solid fill, come to gradient fill, preset colors, rainbow, apply to all, close. So close the master view. So now this is our slide 1, and so in our slide 1 the question is saying that create 4 slides with the following: a title slide with a topic and definition of farming. So here we can have a topic as farming in Uganda. You can bold it, define it as farming is the growing of crops, is the growing of crops and rearing of animals. That is a simple understanding of agriculture. So after defining it, add a star shape with the text 2020 in blue color. So we need a star shape, under insert, go to shapes, and then we go to stars and banners. So from here you can pick a 6-point star, you draw it there. After drawing it there, right click, edit text, right there 2020, highlight it, go to home tab, color blue, bolded and underlined. Save changes. Next, a title slide with problems faced by farmers in Uganda. So create a new slide and you say problems faced by farmers. And so problem 1 can be prolonged drought. Problem 2 can be poor seed varieties. Problem 3 can be poor quality breeds. Problem next, price fluctuation. Price fluctuation. Then problem, another problem can be limited market. Another problem can be lack of storage facilities. Lack of storage facilities. Another problem can be heavy and disastrous rain. Heavy and destructive rains, etc. So those are some of the problems we can mention that are faced by farmers in Uganda. Then next slide, they are telling us that next slide, a text slide with steps taken by the government to solve farmers' problems. So steps taken to solve farmers' problems. We have providing quality breeds, providing quality breeds and varieties. You can call them seed varieties. Then next solution can be providing or provision of ready markets. Provision of ready markets. We also have provision of incentives. Then we can say provision of insecticides. Provision of insecticides. We can have establishing demonstration farms. Establishing demonstration farms. We can say establishing agro-based industries, establishing agro-based industries, and then provision of warehouses, etc. So this word is supposed to be insecticides. This is demonstration farms, save changes. Next slide is about a 2-column text slide showing a list of cash crops and a list of food crops grown in Uganda. So let's format this slide, come to layout and choose comparison. So here we can have a heading as crops grown in Uganda, and so we can have food crops, and then to the right we can have cash crops. And so with the list of food crops we can have bananas, we can have beans, we can have cassava, we can have yams, top of maize. And then with cash crops we can have cotton, we can have coffee, we can have sisal, we can have pyrethrum, we can have tobacco, etc. So those are a few crops grown in Uganda and many others. They say note, add a 6 pt blue vertical line between the lists. So we shall add a vertical line between the lists around there. So after adding it we come to the format tab, shape outline, go to weight, choose 6 pt, and then that it should be in blue color, shape outline, color blue. You save the changes. Next on our instruction is that in the entire presentation use tube as the transition and set it automatically after 0.2 seconds. So we can apply these changes in the slide master. Go to view slide master. So from here choose slide 1, we go to transitions, then from here we can choose cube. This is the one, apply to all. Then after 0.2 seconds apply to all, save changes. Next, that we use any animation scheme to view our slide. So we go under animations, we can select the headings, we come and choose something to do with bounce, save changes. Then the main text, we can choose something to do with swivel. You save changes, you go to slide master tab, close master view. So we are applying animation schemes, then apply any clip art where necessary. So we can apply some clip arts. On slide 4 we can insert a clip art, maybe of a flower, and we put it around there. Maybe this is a pyrethrum, and then we go to here, we can search for trees, and then we can have tractor, so that we can have this provision of incentives and demonstration farms. Then here we can talk of animals, so so that in case we get any picture related to animal, this can threaten crops farming. The growing of crops and animals. There we have defined what farming is. So save changes. Next on our instruction is to link all slides to one another using action buttons with the word next in every action button used. So here on slide 1 we are going to insert an action button. Under shapes we come to this action button, you draw it there. After drawing it, come here, hyperlink to next slide, click OK, right click on it, edit text, write the word next, go to slide 2, draw a similar hyperlink button. Then here choose next slide, click OK, right click, edit text, write next. Then go to slide 3, also draw the same action button. After also link to the next slide, click OK, right click and choose edit text, write next. Then go to the last slide and link it to the first slide using this return action button. Draw it there. Also link it to first slide. Click OK. Right click, edit text and write the word return. Save changes. Next on our presentation is make a printout of 4 slides on 4 pages as a handout. So meaning that you will go to File, Print, and then here full page slides, click there and choose 4 slides vertical. So all the 4 slides are printed on one page, and so you can choose print. So we can preview our presentation and see what happens on it. Here is the view of our slide. So you can see what is happening. We are now in the preview of our animations and transitions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos as they will be loading. You can see I'm using action buttons. This one takes me to slide 1. This one gives me next. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.